Now I continue with the activity 5 as still part of the milestone 3 activity 5. So I open again this activity 5 milestone 3. We have 4 tasks. Explore the daily trend of the new cases and new deaths globally using the line plot. And okay, let me copy first. Okay, so this is still milestone 3 activity 5. Explore the daily trend of the new cases and new death globally using the line plot. Okay, so let's do it. Yep. So we're going to create the line plot. Okay. So 12,8. Maybe you're going to make it a little bit bigger, 14.8. Yeah. And then SNS line plot, the X, the date, the Y, new cases, U continent. Yeah, okay. So we use the U continent. Yep, activity 5. Okay, data is a filter DF, yeah, remember? You if a continent, then a filter DF. And then the CI, none. The confidence interval. Okay, then let's try to run. Okay, yeah, so we have the problem, which is the label. Yes, yes. Okay, got multiple field. Oh, okay, we have the label line plot, new continent filter color blue. Okay, new case. Okay, let's remove the label. Like this. Okay. Yep. Okay. So we have this figure. Continent, Asia, Europe, Africa. Yeah. So we have this figure. This is 6 month. Yeah. By 6 month the legend. But we're going to slightly modify the label. Yeah. Okay. So here we put the X label, yeah, date, and then Y label, new cases, and then the title is the daily trend of the new cases globally. Okay, after that the show, yeah, text rotation 45. Okay, yep. So run again. This is a new cases. Yeah, so we're going to create the same but for the new dev. Sorry, the dev cases. Okay, so I create the second plot. Is the new depth. Yeah. Okay. Create the new depth. After that, continent the same. The rest is the same. Daily trend of the new depth. Okay. By continent globally. This is the new next table is the new depth continent. Okay. Done. Okay. Yeah. So this is new depth. So again, you for the analysis, you spend time to analyze. Yeah, I focus on the completing the code and produce the chart. Okay, then the next one, number 2 is to calculate and visualize the daily average new cases and depth globally. So now we average, yeah, average new cases. Okay, so again, you use the filter data set. Yeah, okay, maybe I have to copy from here. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Yeah, and just to make sure that it's run, yeah, then you copy this in this cell because it used the filter df. Okay, yeah, then after that we already copy. Then you create the daily average. Yeah, calculate the daily average new cases data globally. Okay, so here this is to create the new data frame by grouping. Yeah, then aggregation is the using the mean. Yeah. After that, we're going to create a plot. Okay, line plot. Okay, then after that, date the new cases. Okay, so I just copy this one. Yeah, I already prepare. Okay. Okay, let's run to speed up. And so the code later you can copy. Okay, yeah, this is the average, daily average new cases globally by continent. Okay, this is a color showing the continent. Yeah, and this is the average new depth. Yeah, this is new cases. This is new depth globally. Yeah. Okay, now we continue with the number 3. Sorry. Uh, yeah, number 3. Yeah, explore the trend of the vaccination coverage globally. Okay, number 3. So again, I just copy the code I already prepared. Okay, for the number 3, explore the trend vaccination coverage over time globally. You're going to use the people vaccinated column. Yeah, people vaccinated column. This one. Yeah, people vaccinated. The Y. Yeah, is part of the column. Okay. Yep. So not much. Yeah, the scale. This one is wrong. Yeah. So we need to remove some wrong data here. But just leave it. Yeah. Okay. Then the next one is the last one. Yeah, of the last 4 here. No. Okay, activity 5, yeah, Milestone 3. Analyze the total test and positive rate over time globally. Yeah, total test and positive rate. Okay. Yep. So this one, you're going to create the figure and axis with the dual axis, yeah, because we want to show the both total test and positive rate. Okay. So first this one, yeah. So pick an x1, two axis, and then the first is the line plot for the total test. Okay, like this. Okay, total test, yeah. And then after that, the second is a positive rate. Okay, yeah. So it will create something like this. Yeah. So I think this we don't have much data for this period. Then it show like this. Yeah. A little bit ugly or yeah, but just ignore. Yeah. We focus on this data until July 2022. I think after that, then we don't have much data for the following. Yeah. Okay. So that's the activity 5. So activity 5 is a part of the uh, milestone 3. Okay.